welcome to this video. Today, me and Alana are going to be making a midnight cake for you guys. So it's currently 10...
It's off, but it'll do.
Wait, what time is it?
I do it ahead, so...
10:31 p.m. And we are going to Walmart to get a hand mixer because the Button Decks don't have one.
They also don't know we're making a cake. So we're doing it in their basement.
No one knows they're making a cake, so we're
They have flour, right?
Sorry, gotta go.
We have made it to Walmart.
like
Picked out
these?
our flour and sugar. Made a pit stop at the sandal section.
Wait, Lon.
I'm okay.
Look at
Found some sandals. Moving on, we're gonna find a hand mixer.
and also.
Oh, stand mixer? It's only $114.
I'm not.
What the fuck?
It's ridiculous. Okay, guys, we just got back to the Button Deck house.
We don't have to whisper in the car.
We're in stealth mode. We're about to walk around the back, go through the garage. We have to remember to lock the door and the door from the house to the garage. We have to lock 2 doors. And it's getting serious. Here we go. So, I don't know, we're dumb. This kitchen just doesn't make sense. Nothing's in the, logical spot. We can't find how much is a teaspoon. That was too much. Well, I need 2.5 teaspoons. Okay, do 1 at a time. Let's see. Are you doing a spoon? That's probably half. It looks like cocaine. It's okay. I just cut up some straws. They're so good. So this is what it looks like before I turn the heat on and mix it up. This is where we're at. I have to let it come to a boil, and then once it's boiling, let it simmer, bring it back down and let it simmer for 8 to 10 minutes. And then it should turn a red, and then that'll be the filling for the cake. And it has to cool for 2 hours.
Okay, so I'm currently in Leah's basement. And I'm gonna be mixing the cake mix right now. This is loud as hell. So, okay, I just creamed together the butter and the sugar, and now I have to add the eggs in one at a time to incorporate those. Oh, that's a huge shell. Got her. I need to wash my hands. Pause.
Alright, you guys, Alana came up with the cake batter and we just split it. I'm doing dishes so we can kind of clean as we go. And then we're about to put the cakes in the oven. This is kind of where our filling is at. You're seeing the vision now. It's like strawberry shortcake vibes. And yeah. Okay, you guys, cakes are out of the oven. They're looking good. They smell really good. And then we're starting the buttercream. We're gonna have to go down to the basement to mix it. But we're just kind of getting everything out on the table here. And yeah, see you downstairs. It is 12. Yeah, fast on. It's 12:45. I would cream for 5 minutes. Because you want it to have soft peaks. Okay. Here we go. Yes, she's getting somewhere. We just had a what the hell is going on moment. It's literally 1 a.m. and we're sitting in the basement churning butter. Give me just a minute of your time tonight. No, you're fine.
Just a little behind the scenes of the process.
This is the only sifter they had.
Well, we're not
that we could
totally sure. Oh. There's a lot of... We're just not...
Yerp.
Words are hard.
Fudgesicles. Oh, poopy. Look at my wrist. See my bling? Oh, no.
We're clean, I swear. Hands have been washed many times.
Oh, God, yeah. And then, yep, gotta finish this.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Yep, and we do that about 4 more times before we Don't worry, all of that sugar, all of that has to go in here.
Dead.
So, all right, round 2.
Time check. Buttercream's made. It is 1:17. We have the cakes over here. We're a little worried because we've never made cake before. They seem dense. But if that's the case, we have a strawberry filling, as you know, going on right here, that I think will moisten the cakes. I think that they're moist. I think it's just dense cake. Like we just made the unicorn cake, which is boxed, and she was very light and fluffy. These are like more of a shortcake, right? Isn't what we said? Like more like a strawberry shortcake, I guess.
Yeah, like yes,
Which
I think will be good because we have like the cream from the buttercream and then the strawberries, obviously. So I think it's. I guess we'll taste the ingredients together and then decide what we're gonna call it.
Yeah, but they look beautifully
They smell good.
They smell delicious. I think taste will be a non-issue.
But
So this is Kaylee. But Alana, this is what baking's about. Like, and this is what being a team is about. And I don't want you to be like, oh, that's bad. It's a lemon buttercream. It's gonna be good. So we've made a switch because this buttercream, it's good.
It just like feels like it's missing something, and we're not sure what.
So we're adding half a lemon juice.
Did I just fuck this up? Kaylee, did I just fuck this up? No, we just gotta keep stirring. Did I just fuck this up?
Dude, I hate that pause thing.
Give me a real tool. Wait a minute.
No, it is actually
Let's put
fine.
music over this.
You don't like that? Yeah. We are putting our little like border on there so our strawberries can sit in there. We were supposed to do it with a piping bag, but
Much too late now.
we don't do that here.
Watching the Lego movie.
Can you tell me about our previous lineup?
The first movie we watched was the Bee movie, and then we put on The Secret Life of Pets, and then now it's the Lego movie.
So it's a trilogy.
Clock it.
Clock it.
Clocked.
Gagged.
Is this like too much?
No. Oh my god. This bitch fucking. Oh.
It literally splattered. It splat.
It's black. It's over.
So we're in our final stages of cleaning up, and I'm putting something back because I was, showing Kaylee how we're gonna, how she can set up her new mixer. And I'm putting something back. Tell me why I found their mixer.
Okay, guys, it's the morning after. It's currently 10:05, and she's finished. She looks so good. Wait, let me hit her from the natural light side. I mean, hello? Hello?